Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Sorry I've been gone for so long. It's been 4 years since I've uploaded onto this channel. I apologize, I am back. I did have another channel at one point for the last 9 months. I was uploading on there, kind of getting an idea of what I really wanted to do, what kind of content I really wanted to create. And I got really burnt out real bad, and now I'm back because it just wasn't working very well for me. I was uploading both gaming videos and vlogs over on that channel, which I'm gonna link it down below because I think I'm just gonna delete all the gaming videos and do straight vlogging over there eventually, sometime soon. So I think that's what I'm going to do. But I'll link it down below, so if anybody's interested, go ahead and subscribe over there. I don't know when I'll ever upload vlogs, but if I do, that's where it's going to go, except for the travel vlog I have coming up in a couple of weeks. I am getting ready for work, and I was going to tell you guys where I've been the last 4 years and why I haven't uploaded and everything like that, and then I decided, and then I remembered, not decided, I remembered last night I was thinking about this and I was like, I can talk about it, but to summarize it, I've been moving all over the place, and then now I'm back, and like the reason why I haven't uploaded is because my job, like I just didn't have time to really do anything. Like when you work a full-time job, it makes it very, very difficult to do YouTube on the side. I don't know how people do it. It can get very, very stressful. It's very time consuming. My mornings are consumed most of the time, or they were anyway. My mornings are mainly consumed between recording or editing videos so that way I can get them up. When I was on my other channel, that's what it was. It was like, because I was uploading 3 times a week, I was doing 2 gaming videos and then a vlog, and it was just like constant every day I was like recording, and it burnt me out. That's why I stopped. And that's why I'm here. I know what kind of, I'm doing lifestyle type stuff now, and I'll be uploading every Saturday. I thought this would be the greatest or best opportunity for me to come back than to kind of recreate my very first video. Not really recreate it, but I'm gonna do that tag again. The very first video I uploaded was the Get to Know Me tag, and it was around my birthday, which is, it's around my birthday again. It's been like exactly 4 years, I think, somewhere around there. Let me look. So I uploaded that video April 15th, 2016. Gosh. Holy crap. Anyways, that was around it was my 21st, the next video after that is my Get Ready With Me for my 21st. Anyways, I figured this would be perfect. So, that's what I'm doing. I have the questions pulled up. So while I do my makeup, I'm going to answer these questions. All of the products that I'm using will be in the description box below, by the way, if you are interested in whatever I'm using. I'm just doing my eyes and my eyebrows. I don't do a full face of makeup. I will do full face of makeups for videos in the future, but as of today, I don't really have time to do all that. So, I'm doing just regular stuff that I do every day for work. So, let's go ahead and get into it now. Okay. The first, I want to see how well these questions have changed, and also it's been so long that I just want to do like a get to know me, because I'm, starting over again, and that's what it feels like for me anyway. It feels like I'm starting over again, so that's part of the reason why I wanted to do this. But anyway, question 1 is, what is your middle name? Did I tell you guys my middle name about 4 years ago? Because I don't want to tell you again. I hate my middle name. I have a 2-part name. I have a hyphen middle name, okay? And I hate it. I have glitter all over me. I used to not really mind it too much because my middle name comes from my grandmother, and then on my dad's side, and then I think his aunt, they kind of like put the middle names, or my grandmother's middle name and then his aunt, and it kind of was like, and I'm not a huge fan of my middle name, so I'm not telling you. I may have told you 4 years ago, so if you're that interested, you can just watch the video from 4 years ago. Okay, question 2 is, what share your favorite subject in high school. So in high school, I actually did online school. I went to high school, like public school, for 2 months, I think. I think it was about 2 months. And I was kind of in my rebel stage because I really didn't want to be there. I wanted to live with my dad. I didn't want to live with my mom. It was one of those. Yeah, it's one of those years. Anyways, so basically, I didn't really pay attention in school at all. Like, I really just did not care. I didn't do homework. Did not care. So, yeah. But when I was in public school, French was my favorite class. And then I went to online, and I stuck with the French class, by the way. I would say either English or French was my favorite 2 subjects. I don't really remember any of the French now. I know how to say my name, and I kind of remember how to say I love you, but I know I'd butcher it. So that's the only thing I really remember. I would love to go and relearn French. I love the language. It is such a beautiful language. But anyways, number 3, what is your favorite drink? I know this one has changed. So my favorite drink is actually coffee. I love coffee. I love it so much. But if I'm not drinking coffee, I am drinking water. So, the water that I drink has flavor. I can't drink regular water. It's just too plain for me. So the water I drink is flavored. And it's usually strawberry kiwi flavored. So, question number 4. What is your favorite song at the moment? This I feel like changes quite a bit, but I don't really know. What is my favorite song? You know, I will say the song that I'm really enjoying right now is Astronaut in the Ocean. The cover version by Our Last Night. I love their cover version of Astronaut in the Ocean. I actually haven't literally listened to the original, but I've heard it on TikTok so many times that I know I'd like it too. So. But anyways, alright, question number, what is it, 5? What would you or have you name your children? So I do actually have my kids' names picked out. I'll tell you one of the names, and to give you kind of like a little bit of a backstory, like my boyfriend and I, we kind of like talk about kids all the time. We want kids really bad. We're not ready for it, but we do know what we want to name our kids. We kind of came up with these names together, but I'll give you one of the girls' names. This is one he came up with. It's Kinsley Faith is one of the kids' names that we have picked out. Anyways, number 6. Have you participated in any sports? Yes. From 4th grade to 8th grade, I was in volleyball. That was, actually, I really enjoyed it. That was like, I don't want to say it was the best time of my life, but it was my favorite time. Question number 7, what is your favorite book? I have not read in the last couple of months, but my favorite author is Lindsay Sands. She does a lot of fantasy type books. So that's it. What is your favorite color? So my favorite color is actually yellow. I love the color yellow. And then my second favorite color is actually light gray. I love the color gray, don't know why. And then my third favorite color is a seafoamy green, or not necessarily seafoamy green, but like the mint green. Has been for years, and I know right now it's like heavy in trend for some reason, but it's been my favorite color for a long while now. So I don't know why people are just now realizing how pretty of a color it is. What is your favorite animal? Well, my favorite animal is definitely cat, but I'm gonna have to go with I don't know, I like the bigger cats, like maybe a panther or something. But if I had to choose one, it definitely would be one of the wild cats, or maybe a wolf. number 10. What is your favorite perfume? I don't have a favorite perfume. I don't know. I like floral type scents. There was one actually that I really, really liked, and it was by Marc Jacobs. I don't remember this. I don't know what the scent was. My boyfriend's mom gave it to me, and I used that perfume like crazy. What is your favorite holiday? Favorite holiday? I would say either 4th of July or Christmas. We're like halfway through the questions, so let me do my thing here real quick. I went ahead and finished my eye, so that way, because we're halfway through the questions, so I wanted to finish one eye before I continued on. So let's go ahead and continue on. On a scale of 1 to 10, rate your childhood. Well, I had an interesting childhood. I would say my childhood was probably a 6. I mean, it wasn't too bad. It was pretty decent, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with 6. Yeah, 6 sounds good. Number 13. Have you been out of the country? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. I've been to Jamaica, and I also have been to the Grand Caymans. I think that was it. But yeah, I've been to those 2 places. I went on a cruise with my dad back in 2013. Yeah, 2013. That was fun. That was really fun. Wish I could go back. Number 14. Do you speak any different languages? I don't speak fluently in other languages, but like I said, I do know a little bit of French. Do you have any siblings? I have 2 older brothers. What is your favorite store? Ooh. Walmart. For real though, yeah, that's like the only store I actually go to is Walmart, but, don't really know. Okay. What's the next question? Okay, next question. What is your favorite restaurant? Okay, I have 2 favorite Mexican restaurants. Mexican is my favorite food. My favorite restaurant here, there's a local one here called El Camino. It is so good. And then down in Alabama, there is a Mexican restaurant called Micasitas that I absolutely love. So yeah, those are the only 2 that I really like. I don't have any other favorites other than those 2. Question 18, what did you like school? Who likes school? I don't know. No. Because when I went to online school, the thing is, online school, unless you have supervision, you're able to just fuck around a lot easier, basically, and that is what I did. I fucked around on Facebook the entire time I was in class. Didn't pay attention to a dang thing. Part of the reason why I don't know a dang thing of French. No, I didn't care for school, to be dead honest. It was not my best time. When I was in school, in public school, I got bullied, so no, not my favorite time. Question 19. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Oh, well, let me tell you. I have a handful, like literally, like 5 YouTubers that I watch anytime they upload. That is Tara Michelle, Jill Cimarelli, is that how you say her last name? Those 2 are best friends. Kendall Ray, Bailey Sarian, and then Kiki Chanel, I think is her last, or is how you say the last. Is it Chanel? Channel? I don't know. Those are the 5. I'll link all of them down below too if you are interested. Kendall Ray and Bailey Sarian do true crime. I've been binge watching the crap out of Kiki's anti-MLM videos. And then as for Tara and Jill, I just love their vlogs. Just love them. And they're also really down-to-earth people. Like, you can just tell that they are. Question number 20. What is your favorite movie? Honestly, I'm gonna have to go with Lion King or Aristocats, which is one of my childhood favorite movies. But I don't really have like ultimate favorite movies as an adult. I mean, I don't know. there's not a movie like as an adult where I'm like, I have to watch that again. I do love all the Avenger movies. They're all really, really good. I really enjoy movies like that. And yeah, I wasn't a fan of the live action Lion King when it came out. I went and watched it when it came out. Was not a fan of it. Was not a fan of them changing things. Did not like that. Question number 21. What are some of your favorite TV shows? Well, let me tell you, I enjoy a bunch of TV shows. Right now, I am enjoying all kinds of shows. So, I'll just kind of just list off shows that I just watch all the time. All the Chicagos, Chicago PD, Chicago Fire, Chicago Med, I love all three of those. I watched The Walking Dead. I love The Walking Dead. I have watched it since the beginning. Well, actually, I joined that season 3, but I've watched it from the beginning. I really enjoy The Flash. Supergirl hasn't come. Has it come back? I think it has come back. Haven't watched Superman and Lois yet, so I can't really say anything about that. I loved Arrow when it was on. It was one of my favorites. What else? There's another one. Oh, Legacies, which is a spin-off of the originals, and originals is a spin-off of Vampire Diaries. So if you love the Vampire Diaries, I highly recommend watching those two. My mom and I just started watching Dibris. Is that the name of it? Dibris? It's a sci-fi show. It's really interesting. I enjoy watching The Resident. My mom watches that. I started watching it with her, and it's really good. What else do we watch? Oh, I've also been enjoying the show Walker, which is the spin-off, or the rewritten version, I guess you could say, of Walker Texas Ranger. It's new. It has, Jared Padlock in it. Is that how you say his last name? I mean, I loved Supernatural, but I can't pronounce his last name. But it has him in it, and, he's part of the reason why I decided to watch it, and it is pretty dang good. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of shows I watch. I watch more than that. I can't think of all of them right now off the top of my head, but that's pretty much the gist of it. Number 22, PC or Mac. I've never had a MacBook or Mac desktop or whatever. I've never owned an Apple computer in general, so I'm going to have to go with just regular PC because I don't know. What phone do you have? I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. How tall are you? I'm 5'2". Do you have any pets? Yes, I have one dog, Siberian Husky. I love her to death. And then I have 8 cats. I have 4 females and 4 males. But anyway, that is all the get to know me. I wanted to do a get to know me again because I feel like I have to reintroduce myself to everybody because I've been gone for so long, and I know things have changed in the last 4 years. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, wonderful week. I hope you have a wonderful upcoming week, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, become part of the cat family today. Hit the like button if you like this video. It helps me out a lot, helps my channel out a lot. And also, don't forget to turn the notification bell to on to be notified anytime I upload. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye!